So I'm Jian from HySiLabs. So at HySiLabs, we are facilitating hydrogen integration. So why hydrogen? Because it's a key element to the energy transition, but it's has a lot of constraint. If you can, oh, it's. It works. You have the.
It works. Okay, good. I have it. Yeah.
Okay.
So green button, forward, red button, backwards. I'll give you extra time.
Okay. So hydrogen has a lot of constraints. It's a gas, so it's difficult to store, difficult to transport, and there's a lot of regulation around its use. So at HySiLabs, we are facilitating its transportation. We developed a liquid hydrogen carrier called HySiL. HySiL is safe, stable, and non-toxic. So how it works? Hydrogen has to be produced from renewable energy. It's then charged into HySiL. Then HySiL is transported using the liquid logistic. And hydrogen is then released from HySiL in order to be used in industry, for mobility, or in power application. In addition to this advantage, we are 7 times denser than high-pressure gas. So basically, 1 truck of HySiL can contain as much hydrogen as 7 trucks of gas. We are targeting the hydrogen delivery market, which is estimated around $100 billion per year. It has a huge growth potential if a solution like HySiLabs is developed. And our business model is based on the transfer of our IP and processes through licensing to big energy players like oil and gas or utility players. They will be able to implant our technology into their own business units. Our team, so we are 6 in HySiLabs. We have complementary skills. We have chemists and in business too. We are also involved in several projects like EDF, Shell, NG, and SNCF. They are missing. And we also have a lot of partners who support us through our development. Thank you for your attention.
There was something missing in the slides?
Yeah.
Which one? Okay, try going back.
No, I don't have the...
You don't have the graph?
No.
That is magic.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
We'll go to questions and I hope you can answer. Yeah? Any questions? There's apparently more magic happening than usual.
Simple one. What was on the missing slide?
Good question. So actually we are in pre-industrialization phase, and we will start making revenue and the first transfer of our technology in 2021. That was the missing part.
Good. Other questions?
Hi, David, the CEO of CDPEC, another startup. So how much money are you going to raise, to raise, and what are you going to do with that?
So we wanted to raise around 10 million euro to finish our development. We have 2 processes, so the charging process is still on development, and we have to finish its development, and that's why we wanted to raise this money.
Thank you very much. Other questions? There's one there.
Alexandre, I'm an investor. You have nice logos on your slides, NG, Shell, EDF. Mm-hmm. Are there client, customers, partners? What are they?
Actually, some of them are partners. We won several contests like the EDF Pulse, that's why we are working with them, and the Shell Livewire, so that's why we are also working with Shell.
Do you have a follow-up question? Other questions?
Behind you.
Behind.
I have another one. one of the applications you had there was to cars. Do you know what the current uptake is of hydrogen as a means for fueling cars?
Sorry, can you?
So one of the applications is to hydrogen-fueled cars. Do you know whether there are existing hydrogen-fueled cars in any numbers and what the relative market
Actually,
may be?
there's not much hydrogen cars for now, but we hope that in the future there will be more hydrogen car, and hydrogen will be developed more efficiently on the market for this mobility. But I cannot tell you a number for now.
Okay, thanks.
Of course.
Are there any parallel solutions to what you're doing? How is hydrogen transported currently?
Usually, hydrogen is transported by high-pressure gas, and as I said at the beginning, there's a lot of constraint around hydrogen in gas. So we developed our solution to eliminate these constraints, and the transport of hydrogen is as easy as any liquid, like water or things like any liquid.
Sorry if my question was clear. What I mean is, you're probably not the only one working on the solution to this issue.
Oh, okay.
So is Shell doing something, because they're doing a lot of things in-house? They're working on some similar projects. Do you have any idea of what is happening?
We have other competitors, but not in Shell. Other company, other startup developed a liquid to transport hydrogen, but we are denser than their liquids and safer. So we are kind of the best, how can I say that? The best technology to transport hydrogen, if I can say that.
Of course you can. Is there one more question? Last question? If not, I'd like a round of applause.
Thank you.